Let us consider the linear fractional program, which is a special case of LP and will also allow us to demonstrate a new class of optimization problems. So the linear fractional program, the simplest version is written as, the simple case is written as minimize f naught of x, which is given by a linear fractional. So C transpose x plus D divided by E transpose x plus F. So this is a linear fractional, and we have gx less than equal to h and ax equal to b, and on top of that we have domain restriction. So we are saying that domain of f naught is the set of all x such that E transpose x plus f is greater than 0. So this is the linear fractional program. This may appear to be non-convex because the linear fractional is not a convex function, but this is one of those scenarios where the convexity is hidden and it is just a matter of transforming it properly so as to reveal the hidden convexity. In particular, we use the Chains-Cooper transform. So what is the Chains-Cooper transform? Let's substitute y equal to x divided by E transpose x plus f and t equal to 1 over E transpose x plus f. So we are making a substitution of the variables or change of variables. Observe that in both of these cases you can conclude that E transpose y plus ft is equal to, so what is E transpose y plus ft? It is E transpose x plus f divided by E transpose x plus f, which is equal to 1. So E transpose y plus ft is equal to 1. Also observe that x is equal to y divided by t. So if we are making this change of variables and we obtain some y star t star, we can recover x by this method, y divided by t. What happens to the constraints in this case? We had that gx is less than equal to h, which would now be written as gx divided by E transpose x plus f. So this can be written like this because E transpose x plus f is always greater than 0. H divided by E transpose x plus f. So I have divided both sides by E transpose x plus f and then substitute the definition of y. So I obtain g times y is less than equal to h times t. Right? So this constraint, which was a linear constraint, is still linear because y and t are the optimization variables and t is scalar, y is a vector. Likewise, ax equal to b would get converted to ay equal to bt. So in summary, we have the objective function as minimize. So we had C transpose x plus d divided by E transpose x plus f. The objective function therefore becomes C transpose y plus dt. The optimization is with respect to y and t, and the constraints are E transpose y plus ft equal to 1, which was obtained here. Then gy is less than equal to ht, and then ay is equal to bt. Observe that all the constraints as well as the objective here are linear, and therefore this is a linear program. So we have converted the linear fractional program into a linear program. Now this kind of transformation only works when the objective is linear fractional, not if the constraints are linear fractional. So it's a specific kind of transformation. Of course, I should mention that other transformations are also possible. So this is not the only transformation which will render this problem convex. So other transformations are also possible.